Hey you all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If this is your very first time here, hi, my name is Ramandeep. I post makeup and skincare related videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell which is right next to it so you won't miss out any new videos that I upload.
What a wonderful world.
I'm so excited for today's video because we are going to sit down, play around with some makeup. I'm going to be reviewing some new makeup from Faces Canada that I recently ordered. And of course, I have the big announcement that I talked about in my previous video. Of course, the IG family already knows the news, so if you follow me there, you already know this. But oh my god, this is such a huge moment and I cannot wait to share this news with you all, my YouTube family. You guys made it possible. Oh my god, I couldn't be more thankful. You guys are freaking amazing. You guys know how much I love the brand Faces Canada. Their products are my absolute favorite. I've been using them consistently ever since I got my hands on them a couple of months ago. You guys must have seen me post swatches and tutorials on my channel as well as on my IG. If not, I'll link everything down below and up in the card so you can check it out. So Faces Canada is providing a special code to you all where you can get an exclusive 25% discount site-wide on any Faces Canada products, and the best part is that there is no minimum order value. So you can literally buy one product, two products, or go for a huge haul. You'll be getting 25% off on your total cart value, period. So you just have to use the code FFRamandeep25 at checkout for exclusive 25% off site-wide, no minimum order value, and the link to my personal page on their website is also mentioned down below. This is super exciting because on that page you can see my recommendations, some of their best sellers. I cannot believe this is happening right now. I mean, the fact that I get to work with a brand that is so freaking amazing, and it's all possible because of you guys. I'm just being super honest here. So make sure you guys take advantage of this and stock up on your favorites, and watch this video till the end for my recommendations and some of the products that I'm going to be reviewing today for you guys for the very first time. Alright, so let's begin. I already have my base makeup on. I applied some foundation and now I just set my face with some loose powder, and I apologize if you hear any construction sounds in the background. I don't know what it's about the timing. There were no sounds when I started filming and now it's so annoying. But you know what, we are just going to go ahead, forget the background sounds, because what are we doing today? Playing around with makeup. Let's begin with the Ultimpro face palette. You guys, I'm almost about to hit pan on their bronzer, and I kid you not, this is the only palette that I use these days for my blush, for my contour and my highlight. So you're getting a bronzer, a blush and a highlighter in this palette. This is such a beautiful palette. It's travel friendly as well because it's so compact. And honestly, this is the only palette that I use, like I mentioned, because this is so good. So let's begin with some bronzer. I zoomed you guys in so you can see clearly. I just took a little bit of product and I'm going to dust it off and start applying it under my cheekbones. First, I like to do these tapping motions instead of just going in. And after I'm done with the tapping motions, I then start blending it upwards for a lifted face look. I'm not going to bring it down all the way. I'm just going to add color here and make my cheeks look really bronzed and sun-kissed. I'm going to complete the other side of my face off camera and be right back. And now I'm going to apply some blush. I'm going to be using this flat clean brush which I'm going to dunk into this blush. The blush color is so beautiful, it suits Indian skin tone. So for the application, I'm not going on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to start at the high points, which will give us a lifted face look. Let's go, let's go. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I always fall in love with this blush. And I love applying a lot of blush, so if this is a lot for you, I'm so sorry, but this is normal for me. Bringing it in a little for the natural sun-kissed healthy skin look, And don't worry if you get it on your nose, because that will just make you look super cute. Repeating the same thing on the other side of my face. I love going heavy on my blush these days, so please don't mind me. I'll just be here blending for hours because you know what, blending is a cardio. Look how cute this looks. I absolutely love this blushed look. Time for highlighter. I'm just gonna spray my brush with their makeup setting spray. This is so good. I'll talk about it in a minute, but I just wet my brush and now I'm going to dunk it into the highlighter. Dunk is the right term. It's not subtle at all, by the way. It's buildable, but I love how it looks on my skin. It doesn't emphasize the texture. Also gonna apply a little bit on my chin, on my cupid's bow, on my forehead, just a little. I already applied a face oil in my base makeup routine, so I don't really need that much glow. But you know what, I can never have enough highlighter. I think the trend of highlighting your face a lot died back in 2018 or 19, but then you know what, I'm still there. I can literally swim in highlighter. I can fill a bathtub full with highlighters and sit there for hours and come out looking like an absolute glow goddess. That's what I want. Also applying some on my nose, specifically the bridge of my nose, and then with my ring finger I'm just gonna make this tiny exclamation mark right here. I'm gonna contour my nose, so don't worry, and just, you know, this will make our nose contour look even better. Now moving on, time to contour the nose. I also love taking it under my brows because that just makes my nose look way better. I just added some powder in the corners and I'm just dusting it off now. And don't worry, if anything looks harsh to you, you can always fix it. And if you like it, leave it as it is. Moving on to eye makeup, I'm going to be using the Ultimpro eyeshadow palette in the variant Glimmer. It has such beautiful shades. You get some mattes, you have some shimmers, metallic shades. It's such a beautiful palette and it's a very good palette for Indian skin tone. So I absolutely love the color scheme of this palette. I created a cut crease eye look using this palette and I love that look so much. I'm going to insert a picture on the screen. I actually posted a tutorial on my channel as well, which I'll link down below or in the cards above. So today I thought of creating a very basic eye look for hooded eyes. Alright besties, let's move on to eyeliner. So I have two of their eyeliners. First is their Ultimpro Matte Play eyeliner. I've used this so many times, so I'm going to use this one today. This is their Magnet Eyes eyeliner. I think this is so hyped up in the market in general and almost everyone has tried it out at least once in their lifetime, and I kid you not, this is the very first time I ordered it, and you know what, let's give it a shot. And by the way, both are liquid eyeliners, so you can check them out if you are into liquid eyeliners. I personally prefer liquid eyeliners over sketch eyeliners. I'm not really comfortable with sketch eyeliners. I love the brush that you're getting here. It's so tiny and so precise. You can easily draw a winged eyeliner with this. And don't be scared to bring it out, okay? Just go for it. Alright, so the eyeliner is on. I'm going to complete the other eye off camera and be right back. Alright, so eyeliner is on and now I'm going to apply some kajal. This is their Magnetic Eyes Kajal. Again, I think everyone has tried this out at least once, but you know what? Here we go. Let's give it a shot. Oh, so it's in a nice retractable pencil here. I love it. And then let's just swatch it. Oh, it's so smooth and buttery. Going to apply it in my waterline. This is interesting. So I have really sensitive eyes, and whenever I apply any kajal or eye pencil, my eyes start watering like crazy. And I think this has definitely passed that test because it looks really good. I think my camera was not recording this step and I'm so pissed off, but I was saying that I really like the kajal here. I applied it in my waterline. My eyes don't seem to be irritated by this kajal, so this gets a thumbs up from me, and it retails for just ₹179, so you can definitely check it out. It's super affordable, super smooth and buttery, I would say. Time for mascara. So I have two mascaras right here with me. First one is their Ultim Pro Heavenly Lashes Mascara. I've used this so many times. In fact, I use it all the time, to be very honest. Ever since I got my hands on this mascara a couple of months ago, this is the only mascara that I've been using consistently. And recently, I ordered the Glam On Volume Perfect Mascara. We are going to apply the Glam On Volume Perfect Mascara. I did try it out a couple of times before filming this video, so I can give you a review right away. And I'll be honest with you guys, I prefer the Volume Perfect Mascara. I feel this is perfect for me since I have really droopy lashes. Like, I need to use a lash curler before applying any mascara, period. And when I apply this mascara, they look so beautiful. I am going to curl my lashes real quick. So this is how it looks. I'm going to show you guys the wand. It's a really thick wand and it coats every single lash. This is how it looks. And you know, I have noticed one special hack that works for me. So if you have hooded eyes like me, how you can apply your mascara is just tilt your head backwards so that you have enough space for your brush to work and you won't get your mascara on your eye makeup. This is a lifesaver, you guys. Otherwise, I always got my mascara on my eye makeup and I completely ruined it. This side already looks so much better than this. So let's apply the mascara on the other eye and I'll be right back. Alright, let's move on to the last step. Actually, the second last step, we are going to be applying some lipstick. Now, I have so many options here. I have a bag full of their No Transfer Matte Liquid Lipsticks. These are my absolute favorite to use. So, you can watch my entire swatch video. I'll link it down below. These lipsticks are really good. I also have their lip crayon in the shade Spiced Latte. Again, I've used this in many tutorials. You can watch those on my IG and also on my YouTube channel. And I also have their Weightless Matte Finish lipsticks. So I'm going to be reviewing these today since I haven't talked about them on my channel. So let's dive right in. So this is how they look. They are really tiny bullet lipsticks and I have two shades with me. The first one is Buff Nude and the second one is Royal Maroon. I'm going to show you guys the swatches of both these shades. This is the shade Buff Nude and this is Royal Maroon. Both the shades are really pretty, but I think I'm going to go for Buff Nude since it will look really good with this look. You don't need to apply a gloss over this because this lipstick is so creamy and so comfortable. Alright, the last step is to set everything in place, and I'm gonna be using the Ultim Pro Makeup Fixer. I talked about this in my March favorites video, and you guys, this is a game changer. I think this is one of the best makeup setting sprays that I've used, and again, it's super affordable. It's under 1000 bucks. I'll tell you the exact price. This retails for rupees 649 only. I think you should literally go and grab it right now, because this is such a good makeup setting spray. If you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, it's gonna work out for all of you. I personally have dry skin, and I love how it keeps my makeup in place throughout the day. So I'm just gonna shake it and spray my face a couple of times. And just let it sink in and set for a couple of minutes. So this is how the final look turned out. I absolutely love it. I love the pink and peach tones that I have going on my face. I absolutely love it. And I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but the eyeshadow has a beautiful golden to pink shift. It's so beautiful. It's so unique. You can totally check out the palette. And the blush is my absolute favorite, like I mentioned, and the bronzer, of course, I'm gonna hit pan so you guys know it's already loved by me. And the highlighter gives you this beautiful glow, which I love. You can build it up, of course, as much as you want. And the lipstick is so creamy, so buttery, so easy to apply, and it gives this beautiful silky matte finish, almost creamy finish, which is so comfortable on the lips, and it's super long lasting. I'll mention everything down below. Also, make sure you guys check out the link down below for an exclusive 25% off on any Faces product site wide, like any product, and there is no minimum order value. So make sure you take advantage of this coupon code, because I am so excited, so happy, and so blessed and grateful to have this opportunity of working with a brand that I absolutely love, and it's all possible because of you guys. So I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. Make sure you check out the link down below and use my code as well. That wraps up today's video, and I was so nervous and excited to share this big news with you all. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you check out all the other videos that I've created using Faces products. I'll link them down below and up in the cards. So check those out. I'll see you in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you haven't already. If you're new here, if you're watching this face for the first time, hit that subscribe button. Please don't leave without subscribing. It means a lot to me. It helps my channel grow. And also hit the notification bell, which is right next to it, so you will be notified every single time I upload a new video. All my social media handles will be mentioned down below as well, so make sure you follow me there. Stay connected, stay safe, take care of yourself and your loved ones, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. I love you so much. Bye guys.